guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to continue this phenomenal football season by making a wonderful jalapeno popper dip. That is correct. We are taking our jalapeno poppers, we are tearing them apart and making them into a delicious dip. Not really, we're not making them first, but we're taking all the fun ingredients from a jalapeno popper and making an epic dip out of it. You're going to love it. It has a delicious buttery Ritz cracker crust on top. It's going to be so good. Let's get started. We have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese in here, and we're adding a half a cup of sour cream. My favorite. What is better than sour cream? After that, we have about 1.5 cups of a shredded cheddar. We're just going to pour that in. Supplement for your favorite cheese if you're not a cheddar fan, but cheddar works here just fine. And then we are adding a little bit of a spice medley here. We have some cumin, some paprika, we have a tiny bit of garlic powder, some parsley, salt, and pepper. Yum, yum, and yum. Then we're gonna use a hand mixer here and just beat this all together before we mix in our other ingredients. So we're gonna put that to the side and make our Ritz crust here. So we have half a stick of butter that's been melted, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and a full cup of some smashed Ritz crackers. We're just gonna put that into a mixing bowl and then just give it a good mix with that butter. We're making this as our topping to our jalapeno popper dip. If it seems a little dry, go ahead and add more butter, but you don't want it to be too wet, but just give it a nice mix and get ready to put it on top. All right, so our dip is mixed, our topping is ready. All we have to do is add the jalapenos and get this into our pan. So I have about 5 jalapenos here that I diced up real small that I'm gonna pour into this dip. So if you don't like heat as much and you still wanna make this dip, I would get one of those cans of the diced chilies. They're a little bit milder. You can actually buy them in mild flavor, and then that way you don't have to worry about if your jalapenos are too hot. But for all of us that love jalapeno poppers and love some heat, go ahead and mix in some real fresh jalapenos. You'll be thankful that you did. And now this is the fun part. We are using a pie plate because it is the best thing to use when making this dish. And then we're just gonna dump it in. We'll smooth it out eventually. I'm trying to do it towards the camera here, but my cream cheese is sticking naturally. So we'll just give it a push here. Let's go, let's go. We're on film here. Perfect. We'll be flattening it out soon. So you want to make sure that you get all of your ingredients. Why waste any of this deliciousness? So go scrape it up and get it in your pie plate. So you don't have to be perfect with it. Just spread it out in your pie plate like so. And then get ready to top with some delicious topping. Last step before this is going into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes is our crust here. So honestly, I like to just go over and sprinkle with my hand. Feel free to spoon it out if you need to. But you just want a nice layer of this delicious Ritz topping. This is like the breading of our jalapeno popper. So good, so epic. And just spread it out on top. 350 degrees in your oven for about 20 minutes. So when you got a nice even layer, into that oven and then get ready for this delicious dip. Now, a little extra tip here. I like to throw the broiler on at the end just for a minute or so to make the top nice and crunchy. And it's so good. This dip is bubbling. It's just waiting to be eaten. And last step, let's hit it with a little bit of some chives, some scallion, green onion, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to use, it's fine. We'll hit it with a little bit, and this is ready to get served at your game day party. Now, I had my husband bring me a few more chips because I am digging into this dip. Tell me that this doesn't look so freaking good. Oh my God, I love it. It's a little hot. If I burn myself on camera, guys, love me anyway because it is epic and it smells so good, and I'm gonna eat it. Holy cow. So good. I'm going to just park my butt next to this on football Sunday, and this is what I'll be eating because it honestly is so freaking good. I'm not just saying that. The fresh jalapeno, the crunchiness from the Ritz, all the flavor coming together, it is a jalapeno popper in a dip. It's epic. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Cait Straight Up on Instagram also. Find me there. Let's talk. Let's chat. Do stuff in the comments below. Have a good football season, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.